आणि मला योग्य वेळेवर तुम्ही दोघे भेटलात. दॅट इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग. सो आय एम सो हॅपी की ऍटलीस्ट आय फाउंड समबडी who is quite experienced than me and has same thought and has proved it कि this thought is not wrong.
इतना नॉलेज अगर ये पहले कोर्स में ही जैसे सीख जाए तो मतलब हम कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच जाए. यही चीज मतलब जो ड्रॉबैक्स है वो आपने पिन पॉइंट किया है एक चीज. ऐसे तो पता था कि ये एक्सरसाइज है लेकिन कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करना है पेशेंट्स में और कैसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप फॉलो करना चाहिए.
I was really addicted to that. Sometimes I used to hear again and again and again that repeated lectures. So I was enjoying in listening, because these things nobody taught us, nobody teaches us, or sometimes our parents also tells us but we don't hear, or our seniors also does but we don't follow that. But दिमाग में कैसे घुसाना है वो आपको बहुत अच्छे से आता है.
The day I joined you people, November I think so, it's like refresh, update, upgrade, complete, like starting from basic onwards, from anatomy first day class attend karte na college mein apron leke, same likewise. And now today being a like graduation day means like graduation is, it is really graduation because I learned so many things which nobody taught. I frankly tell you.
Ma'am, I think so. What depth of knowledge you have, I think so. You can write 100 of books about physiotherapy. I think so. Book you should design is assessment part. Nobody can explain like you. So you both are gems of physiotherapy.
Keep
Blessings
hiring
from you and ma'am, sir. That is what I mean.
So thank you.
Bye-bye.